So Catherine, when I'm talking with companies about beginning their digital transformation journey and they have questions, one of the first things they ask me is how do they get started on their digital transformation journey? So what is your advice when you're consulting with companies on them beginning their digital transformation journey?
Sure. So I think we hear that a lot, because digital transformation is a new concept and a lot of companies don't know where to go. So when we're talking with companies and they're starting to look at introducing an IoT platform or a new data ingestion system, what we say is, number one, we need to set measurable success criteria so that at the end of our discovery with them, we know if we can check those off and say we've met this throughout our discovery process. Number two, we're going to encourage them to start small. We're going to say, hey, pick one production area in your plant or one line, and we're going to implement our software there and show them how it performs, get their team used to using it, so that at the end we'll know this is a good fit for us and we're ready to expand further. And then last but not least, we always say, let's build a team before we roll this out. The biggest thing with the digital transformation is that there's a lot of data that a plant is going to be ingesting that they weren't ingesting before. So let's have a team ready to support that and actually use that data.